You know that feeling when you're so excited about your upcoming trip, but there's this low level panic humming in the background? You've booked the flights, hotels confirmed, time off approved, but your brain keeps whispering, "What am I forgetting? What am I going to forget?" Here's what nobody tells you about traveling with ADHD: it's not just about remembering to pack your toothbrush. It's the mental load of holding all the details in your head at once: passport, medications, chargers, that one specific thing you know you'll need but can't think of right now, boarding passes, hotel confirmations, the time difference you keep miscalculating. And the worst part? That anxiety steals the joy from what should be an amazing experience. Maybe you're heading home for the holidays, or finally taking that New Year's trip you've been dreaming about, or just getting away because you desperately need a break. But instead of feeling excited, you're already exhausted from the planning, from trying to hold it all together, from being the person who always forgets something important. Here's what I've learned after years of travel and working with people with ADHD. The problem isn't you. The problem is that most travel products aren't designed for how our brains actually work. We don't need another generic packing list. We need systems, visual cues, things that make it impossible to forget. Products that do the remembering for us. Think about it. What if you had a travel setup where your passport had a bright, impossible to miss holder that literally catches your eye every time? These aren't just nice to have things. For ADHD brains, these are the difference between a trip you enjoy and a trip you survive. That's exactly why we curated a collection of travel essentials specifically designed for ADHD travelers. Not random products, not just cute organizers. These are tools that actually work with your brain instead of against it. Whether you're traveling next week or next month, whether it's a holiday visit or a solo adventure, you deserve to actually enjoy the trip, not just stress about keeping it together. We've spent years searching for the best travel products for people with ADHD, making sure they support all our needs, help lighten the load, and allow us to experience the best travel has to offer. I want you to have that moment mid-trip where you think, I actually have everything I need. I'm not scrambling. I'm not panicking. That feeling of calm, of being prepared without being overwhelmed, that's what these products are designed to give you. And honestly, even if you just grab one or two items that solve your biggest travel headache, your medication tracking, your document organization, your packing chaos, it's worth it. Because every trip should feel like the adventure it is, not a test of whether you can hold it all together. Head over to liveabroadwithadhd.myshopify.com and check out the collection. Find the products that make sense for your travel style and your brain. That feeling of calm, of being prepared without being overwhelmed, that's what these products are designed to give you. And honestly, even if you just grab one or two items that solve your biggest travel headache, your medication tracking, your document organization, your packing chaos, it's worth it. Because every trip should feel like the adventure it is, not a test of whether you can hold it all together. Visit liveabroadwithadhd.myshopify.com and check out the collection. More details in the show notes. Find the products that make sense for your travel style and your brain. Because the best trip isn't the one where nothing goes wrong. It's the one where you have systems in place so you can actually be present and enjoy it. Safe travels, friend. You've got this.